Hi homies, this is Sarah, your girl. Welcome to Sawix, where we create your perfect image. So guys, we have this softy king car. Yeah, we crotcheted it, we crotcheted, we crotcheted that soft king on the Dome Carp. I don't know if you know Dome Carp. It's the best wake up. It has the elastic band inside it, and your weight cannot fall off, guys. So look at that, guys. So here we had to trim these excess long baby hair. So Daphne went on and trim those baby hair so that they can look good. Guys, look at that. Oh my god, look at our path, guys. So yeah, we tried that for first time. So guys, you can rate us from 1 up to 10. Guys, don't forget to inbox us if you are interested in any of our wigs. We are always at your service, guys. Yeah, and you can also visit our social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram,